I'm going to teach you how to clear or reset your status in Google Chat. Your status in Google Chat is the small note and icon that tells coworkers whether you're available, busy, or away. Maybe you set a custom message for a meeting or focus time, and now it's lingering. In a minute, I'll show you exactly how to clear it so your availability reflects your current schedule again. Start by opening Google Chat. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile or desktop app. Either works. Give it a second to load your conversation so the status controls appear at the top. Next, look to the top of the window near your profile picture and click your current status. It's a dropdown that might read something like, until 1:23 p.m., do not disturb, or show a short custom message. Clicking this opens your status panel so you can make changes. If you currently have a custom status running, click Add a Status. This opens the custom status editor where you'll see your existing message and any emoji you attached, along with the duration settings. Opening this editor makes it easy to remove what's there. Now, clear it. Click Clear Status to remove the custom message, emoji, and any end time in one step. If you prefer, you can also simply delete the message text inside the editor. Either way, you're removing the custom note that other people see next to your name. After you clear the message, click Done. This confirms the change and closes the panel. Your status will no longer display that custom note, and your teammates will just see your standard availability without the extra text. If you want Google Chat to manage things for you going forward, you can optionally select Automatic. Automatic resets your status to the default behavior, which updates based on your recent activity and, depending on your organization's settings, may reflect events like meetings. It's a nice set and forget option if you don't need a custom note anymore. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the status dropdown, make sure you're signed in and that your app or browser tab is active. On mobile, the status control is also at the top under your profile picture. And remember, clearing your status doesn't affect your messages or conversations. It only removes the small note and icon that describe your availability. That's all there is to it. Open Google Chat, open the status dropdown, use Add a Status if a custom note is active, clear it, or delete the message, click Done, and if you like, switch to Automatic. You're now back to a clean, accurate status.